welcome back. So in this video, I am going to be uploading our own custom theme, and we're going to be using the Hestia theme in this course, on this website. The reason we're using the Hestia theme is for two reasons. One, it's cross-compatible with e-commerce, startup websites, and so much more. And on top of that, it's compatible with the Elementor page builder, which is what we're going to be using for this website. So one thing I want to point out is instead of going to appearance, then themes, and looking through the repository, we're going to be using a custom uploaded theme. Now, obviously, this can be found on the WordPress repository, but most likely you're going to be using themes that aren't that popular and you can actually find. So how do you actually do this? So if you click on the hamburger icon in the top left, if you're using Udemy at this time, which is the 28th of January 2018, then most likely there will be a hamburger icon in the top left. You can click that, view on the lecture that we're going through today, and there'll be some files for download. Now, most likely Hestia would have been uploaded. This is the website, by the way. You can go on Google and search Hestia theme download. And what you will see here is this. So it says Hestia free material design theme. You can just click download for free and it'll give you this zip file. So what are you going to do after that? Well, I'm going to go to that in just a second, but most likely if you're watching this maybe a few months later, they would have updated it. So if you want to use the one that we're working with on this course, there is the file version available for download. It ends in .zip. And then I also linked this so you can download the latest version. I would recommend you go with either the latest version if you want to go for production, or if you're just doing this for practice, go without the current version because you may run into problems. Okay, so now that we've got that over and covered with, I'm going to start uploading our theme. So whenever you download a theme, it comes in a .zip file, and what happens is WordPress takes this file and unpacks it and sets it up. So how are we going to do this? Well, you're going to go just as if you're downloading a theme for normal. So you go to appearance and then themes, wait for that to load. And then here it says add new, we're going to click that, or you can click here, it doesn't really matter. Then you're going to click upload theme instead of searching through this repository. I briefly covered this in the last few videos, in the last website, but we're going to be actually using it now. So we're going to click upload theme, and it says here if you have a theme in .zip, you may install by uploading it here. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to drag that on. Make sure you're dragging it onto the choose file and not anywhere else, or else it will override your browser. So you're going to drag it onto the choose file button. Then you're going to click install now. And it may take a while, so it might bring you to this page and it says some, progress updates on the themes install. So this may take a minute or two depending on how fast or how much server space you have. So I'll be right back when it's installed. Alright, so it has successfully uploaded, and this may take a while. It took me around 5 minutes for it to install, but again, it depends on your server speed and your internet speed. Alright, so we're done with that, so we're just going to click here to activate. We're not going to click that just yet. We're going to click activate so that it's actually activated just like a plugin would. Wait for that. And there we go. Now we have the Hestia theme installed. So let's go back to our page and see what happens. Let's refresh. Wait for that to load. It may take a while because it's the first time loading this theme. And there we go. We have our Hestia theme looking extremely good. So again, in the future, we're going to be editing this page, get rid of this sidebar, all of that. We're going to be working all of that in the next video. All right, let's move on.